spicy cauliflower stir fry. It is so delicious. The flavors are out of this world, and I cooked it, ate it, and did the dishes in 16 minutes flat. This recipe is so good. It is so very simple. Now, I've been breaking up some cauliflower into tiny florets, and I have a little bit of oil in a nonstick skillet, and I'll just throw it all into a pan, get it in there and get the sizzling process going. Now, I also minced up some garlic for flavor, and it goes right in. I'll just stir it around. I want this to cook in a small amount of time, but get some good flavor on the outside of the cauliflower. I'm gonna let that keep going, and I'll slice up some green onions. I've just got a couple here. I'm gonna slice them real fast. This recipe doesn't even make it to 16 minutes. It's really that quick. And I'm gonna go in with these and get them going in the skillet. Okay, the cauliflower is definitely getting there. It's already got some nice dark edges. Now, soy sauce makes this extra delicious, so I'll add about 2 tablespoons. I'll just cut a lime in half, squeeze it right in, nice and tangy. Okay, now because I always think a little spice is nice, I'll add some sriracha. You can use any hot sauce you want. And then I'll just stir it around long enough for it to totally coat the cauliflower. It is done. I'm gonna get it into a bowl because it smells so good, I can hardly contain myself. I love light stir fries like this, which means you can just pile it high in the bowl. Ooh, delicious. Now I'll sprinkle on some more green onions, and then I like to squeeze on a little extra lime juice, put the lime wedge right on the bowl. Now seriously, how long did that take? How cool is that?